Are you familiar with life insurance? In this video, we'll provide a comprehensive overview of life insurance, including what it is, why it's important, and what to look for when shopping for life insurance. We'll also go over potential problems with life insurance and provide tips and considerations for getting the most out of your policy. Join us for this video exploration into the startling reality of life insurance. Chapter 1 Introduction. Welcome to this video into the startling reality of life insurance. Have you ever wondered why life insurance is so important and yet so often misunderstood? We'll begin our investigation today by explaining the basics of life insurance, as well as providing an overview of what makes it beneficial. Moreover, we'll explain how life insurance can be an important tool for protecting your wealth and how it can benefit different people in various life situations. Stick around as we dive deeper into this complex but critical area of personal finance and protection. Chapter 2 What is life insurance? Let's start with the basics. Life insurance is a type of policy where you make regular payments to a company in exchange for a lump sum payment if you die prematurely or are diagnosed with a terminal illness. The lump sum payment, or benefit, is usually paid to your beneficiaries such as your spouse or children. The amount of coverage you purchase is based on how much money you need to help replace your income and help protect your loved ones in case something happens. There are two main types of life insurance: term life insurance and whole life insurance. Term life insurance is a type of policy where you pay premiums for a specific period of time and receive a death benefit if you die within that time frame. Whole life insurance is a type of policy where you make one upfront payment and receive a death benefit along with cash value benefits. Chapter 3 Benefits of life insurance. Now that we've gone over the basics, let's take a closer look at the benefits of life insurance. First, life insurance can be an important tool for protecting your wealth. It can help your beneficiaries cover any debts or expenses that they may have to face in the event of your death, and it can also help to replace your lost income. Life insurance can also be beneficial for those with a mortgage. If you have a mortgage when you die, your life insurance can help your beneficiaries pay off any remaining debts. Lastly, life insurance can be important for those with dependents. If something were to happen to you, life insurance could help your family maintain their current lifestyle and provide for their long-term financial needs. Chapter 4 Potential problems with life insurance. Despite its many benefits, life insurance can also be problematic. One potential issue with life insurance is that the premiums can be expensive and can require a significant financial commitment. Another potential problem is that life insurance can be difficult to understand, particularly for those unfamiliar with financial products. Finally, if you're not careful, life insurance can be sold to you without a full understanding of what the policy entails. Chapter 5 What to look for when shopping for life insurance. Now that we've covered both the benefits and potential pitfalls of life insurance, let's take a look at what you should look for when shopping for a life insurance policy. First, think about the type of coverage you need. Do you need a term life policy, a whole life policy, or something else? Next, consider the scope and duration of the policy. Is it adequate coverage for your lifestyle and financial goals? You should also consider the reputation of the insurer. Do your research and make sure that the company you're considering has a good track record and a good history with consumers. Finally, make sure to read the fine print. It's important to understand exactly what you're signing up for and how it will benefit you and your family. Chapter 6 Life Insurance Tips and Considerations. Now that we've gone over what to look for when shopping for life insurance, let's take a look at some tips for getting the most out of your policy. First, make sure to research the options available in your area. There are many insurers offering life insurance, so make sure you compare the different coverage types, amounts, and terms to find the right option for you. Second, think about how your premiums will be impacted by inflation. Over time, your premiums may go up as the cost of living increases. Third, consider the tax implications of your life insurance policy. It's important to understand how a life insurance policy can affect your taxes and how to plan for them accordingly. Chapter 7 Understanding different options. Now that we've discussed tips and considerations, let's talk about the different life insurance options available. First, there are traditional life insurance policies, which usually provide a death benefit and require you to pay premiums until the end of the policy term. Second, there are universal life policies, which are similar to traditional policies but allow you to adjust your premiums and death benefit over time. Third, there are indexed life policies, which have a portion of your premium invested in the stock market and can provide the potential for more growth over time. And finally, there are so-called second to die life policies, which provide a payout when both members of a couple have passed away. Chapter 8: What to do before you purchase life insurance. Now that we've gone over the different options, let's talk about what you need to do before you purchase a life insurance policy. First, you should consult with a financial advisor or an insurance agent. They can help you weigh the different options and determine which type of policy is right for you. Second, make sure to consider any potential exemptions or special circumstances that may affect your life insurance premiums. For example, if you have a medical condition or lifestyle habits like smoking, these factors could affect your premiums and should be taken into account. Chapter 9: The importance of shopping around. Now that you're ready to purchase a policy, let's talk about why it's important to shop around. Different insurance companies can offer different rates and terms, so make sure to compare different policies from different companies. You should also consider whether you want a term or permanent policy. Term policies typically last for a specific term, while a permanent policy is meant to cover you until you pass away. Finally, make sure to read any policies thoroughly and compare the features of the different policies. This will help ensure that you get the most out of your policy and the best value for your money. Conclusion. To conclude, life insurance can be an important tool for protecting your wealth and providing financial security for your loved ones. Before purchasing a policy, make sure to consider the type of coverage you need, the reputation of the insurer, and the policy's terms and conditions. Also, don't forget to shop around for different policies and take the time to compare the features of each policy. This has been the shocking truth about life insurance. We hope you found this exploration informative and helpful. Thanks for joining us today, and we wish you the best in your life insurance journey. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal growth and success, and don't forget to like and share. This video was brought to you by Channel Success Mindset and Personal Growth.